Good morning students, myself Mridula, and we have already covered with our second chapter, that is the fundamentals, that are the basic rules in the partnership firm. And now we are going to start with our third chapter, that is change in profit sharing ratio. This is one of the chapter that comes under the reconstitution of a partnership firm. Now the question arises, what is reconstitution? Here I have written reconstitution of a partnership firm. Means whenever there is a change in the agreement and the existing agreement comes to an end because of any reason and a new agreement come into existence, this is called reconstitution of a partnership firm. It doesn't mean partnership will come to an end, firm बंद नहीं होगी. It means new agreement will come into existence. There can be many cases under which such reconstitution take place. One of that chapter is change in profit sharing ratio. When the partners they change their ratio, then it means whenever they change their ratio, few partners they can gain and some of the existing partners they can sacrifice. Then it means a new agreement will come into existence and the existing one will come to an end. This is the case of reconstitution. Again, the next case is admission of a partner. Whenever a new partner admits in the firm, suppose पहले दो partners थे A और B, the agreement was between A and B. Now C, a new partner come into business. Then it means the old agreement will come to an end and a new agreement that will come into existence because now there will be three partners. This is also the case of reconstitution of a partnership firm. Another cases are retirement and death of a partner. Whenever out of all the three partners, suppose A, B, C, three partners are there, B retires. Here admits, then it means now the new agreement will be between A and C. Now it will also be treated as you can say the existing agreement will come to an end and a new agreement come into existence and reconstitution occurs. And in the same way, if suppose D dies, then case again reconstitution. The next one I have written amalgamation of a new partnership firm. Amalgamation का मतलब होता है when two partnership firms से join together. AB company थी, CD company थी, they joined together for their common interest and they just cut off their whatever the competition was between them. तो एक firm बन गई ABCD. तो this amalgamation it also be the case of reconstitution. So these all are the cases of reconstitution. Out of all these reconstitution cases, we are going to start with our chapter change in profit sharing ratio. Now, in this chapter, the topics that we are going to cover, I have written clearly here. Firstly, whenever there is a case of reconstitution, the existing partner, they change their ratio, the very first step we have to calculate, that is gain or sacrificing ratio. Now, what is gaining or sacrificing ratio? Sacrificing का मतलब होता है when out of the existing partners, some partner sacrifice or surrender their share in the favor of any other existing partner, that is called sacrificing ratio. और gaining का मतलब क्या हुआ? जब existing partners में से कुछ partner ने gain करा, तो that will be called their gaining ratio. And then other cases are, topics are treatment of goodwill, treatment of reserves and profits, revaluation of assets and liabilities, and readjustment of capital. Today we are going to discuss with our very first topic, that is calculation of gain or sacrifice. Here I have taken question number 1. The very first practical question, that is to be calculated gain or sacrifice. Here two partners are given, X and Y, and their old ratio is given 5:3. And 2019, from 1st April, they have changed their ratio. Now the ratio will be equal, 1:1. And the question is we have to calculate the gain or sacrifice of each partner. Our formula for calculating gain or sacrifice is, here I am writing the formula. This is called change in ratio. Which partner will gain and which is going to sacrifice. Change in ratio. Our formula will be old minus new ratio. Now X, change in X ratio. हमारा formula old में 5/8 minus new ratio 1/2. LCM 8 आ गया, 5 minus 4. ये आ गया 1/8. In the same way, change in Y's ratio, 3/8 minus 1/2. 3 minus 4, it comes to 1/8. अब एक आंसर 1/8 आ रहा है, एक आंसर -1/8। हम कैसे पता चलेगा? ये ओल्ड रेशियो है, ये न्यू। इसका शेयर क्या हो गया? कम हो गया 5 से 4। देन इट मीन्स x क्या कर रहा है? सैक्रिफाइस। एंड हियर ओल्ड और न्यू, द शेयर हैज इंक्रीज्ड, सो इट मीन्स y क्या कर रहा है? गेन। सो we'll write down x has sacrificed by 1/8 share and y has gained 1/8 share. So this will be my answer. This is your first topic in which whenever the partners change their ratio, we are going to calculate which partner is going to be, you can say, sacrificing and who is gaining, who is the gaining partner और कितना gain उसने करा. And this chapter is quite easy and your homework is you have to go through with the first 2 or 3 pages theoretical aspect and then you will solve first 2 questions also. In the next we will discuss with our second topic, treatment of goodwill. I hope this topic is clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.